Hi guys, Shamika Gardner here with Skylar Business and Personal Solutions. Just wanted to jump on for a moment and give a quick video. I want to talk to you guys about tax debt. Okay, I wanted to jump on and do this quick video about tax debt. Wanted to let you guys know that the IRS does in fact have a Fresh Start initiative. But I wanted to reach out to you because I wanted you to know this is something that you can do on your own. It is fairly easy. You do not have to hire a professional to do it for you. However, if you'd like to have one to look over the information, you can. But the IRS does have the system in place so that you can do this on your own. They have an estimator online that you just plug in your numbers to, and it'll tell you what to offer. And then you can go through the original paperwork to offer what you'd like to pay to settle your debt. And it is still at pennies on the dollar, according to the estimator. And then you can go ahead and submit it yourself online. You can do it conveniently online and pay pennies on the dollar and get rid of tax debt. This is something that a lot of people are dealing with, having old back taxes or whatever your situation is particularly. But this is a quick and easy way to get out of it. And it is something that you can do alone, or you could just get someone to look over the paperwork with you. Now, there are companies that will tell you that they can do it for you, and they will charge you, a hefty fee to have that done. And I just wanted to put some content out here to let you guys know that it is something that you can do on your own. It is something that I have done on my own and had my offer accepted from $26,000 down to $1,800. So it is something that can be done, and I wanted to get that content out to you to let you know that you also can have this done for you, and you can do it all on your own. If you want more information about it, drop it down in the comments and let me know. Don't forget to click subscribe over here and like and comment so that we can keep the content coming for you. If you ever want to reach out to us on our website, you can go to www.skylarbnpsolutions.com. That's skylarbnpsolutions.com. We'll be glad to get the information to you, tell you exactly what forms you need to fill out and how to go about getting your tax situation changed. Get that weight off of your shoulder so you don't have to worry about IRS being on your back. You can go ahead and settle this debt appropriately and quickly so that you can get from under the weight and move forward with your life, okay? Always at Skylar, we want to make sure that you're financially fit and that you are financially free. We look forward to hearing from you and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.